Into the going forward. Oh my god. I was saying here so bad.
Eggs any style served with bacon, sausage and cheese.
Frozen cappuccino. I'm gonna try my Mickey waffle. Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Someone put on this on the now translate.
Oh my god, this is so good. Oh my god. Baby, that is so good. It's so nice in here. Like, look at this. I want to live here so bad. You have to be rich to stay here. Oh my god. I feel like a real life princess right now. Like, how is this real? This is beautiful. Forever grateful.
World Transportation System. We're on our way to Disney's Animal Kingdom. For your safety.
The Tree of Life. Avatar is just down there.
Oh my god. Siapa yang bisa hafal?
Sagi Bonani. I am Singsen Kanyana, and I'm here to welcome you to the Halame Wildlife Reserve.
So we're gonna have so much fun out here, it's only gonna seem like it was 20 minutes. Now I'm gonna go over a few rules before we hit the resort. And now this is where you'll get a look at some of your favorite animals and some of mine as well.
What's the baby one?
See the baby giraffe over there on the right? Stripe on their rump. They also have a pure white belly because those stripes don't go all the way around. Under their neck you'll see a little loop there. You often see them throwing dirt and sand on their back. They have more muscle in their trunk than we. Over here on the left hand side you see the greater flamingos. Greater flamingos are the largest of the flamingo species. They're usually a lighter pink in color with a dark pink underwing. Water is part of their natural habitat. That's why they're always found in water. Now, if you look at the island they're standing on, you might notice something about it. Mickey ears.
Look at it.
Animals on the face, don't feed them, and wash up after. Thank you.
Thank you.
3 minutes ago. Instead of my own.
Hello.
Yeah.
We're in a golf. I'm godmother. I just paid a girl. It's right here.
Nico?
Tell me there's a pig.
very long. They can jump 50 feet through the trees at a time. They can leap 50 feet. Can you leap 50 feet?
His face.
Yeah.
I can try.
Yeah.
I can probably make about.
You can like break your neck.
I can probably make about 2 feet.
Well, then you can do 2 feet 25 times.
Yeah, exactly.
I got this figured out for you.
We're doing a sketching class where we learn to.
Hi, welcome to Rafiki's Planet Watch, and welcome to the animation experience. My name is Brandon, I'll be your artist for today, and right now we're going to be sketching one of my favorite characters. We're going to be sketching the terrifying, the menacing, but also cute and cuddly if you think about it, Shere Khan, the tiger from Jungle Book. Ooh, okay,
So nice. That's him
Let's go.
Elizabeth?
I'm gonna film a child with me. I got these. I'm gonna try it.
Season's coming.
Alright.
Let's just watch read.
My fellow friends in flight, my name is Nathan. My name is Adam. It's so great to see you all here. Hi, everyone. Because we're out here on the stage, and this is our favorite part of every day, being able to come out here and share incredible birds, all of you. Like some of the ones you saw, like crane flying over. I mean, that raven that's recycled there, how cool is that? Or even birds like this one right here. This is Caroline, and she is a trumpeter hornbill.
Yes, and do you want to see this bird in flight? Because it's kind of cool. There's like an adult who also has $8 bill at this point in your day. Okay, there are surprisingly few hands for it being 1:38 p.m. Okay, in the very back in the blue, would you like to help me out? Okay, so if you take out $1, the cool thing is it tells the bird who to land on. So is it cool to get like a crow on your arm? Okay, so if you want to stand up, you'll hold the $1 out, and then that should tell the bird to land right there. That's perfect. That's perfect. You just have to hold it out because that determines what person that this bird flies to. And it shows off their pattern recognition skills. She's just going to grab the trees on the ground and do that. And then she's going to walk around behind that bush. And then she's going to walk around in front of that bush. And then she's going to trot over here, fly over, and then I'm going to set her up so she can scan the audience and look for our friend. She'll then spot our friend fly out and land. And take their money. And so they put the money. Good job, sorry. Right on. Cool. Sorry, we're going to have a magical day. Okay, anybody over here have like... Okay, that's good, that's good. But if that was too much, we could do the smaller attacker. Would you show me what I got there? Your king cat. Nice. And the animal sounds are cool, but like most of what Hugo was learning is how to copy human sounds. She does this thing when people clap. Do you want to see what she'll do it for you guys? Want to try? Are you guys just clap? That's it. And this last thing that she does is one of my favorites, but I don't want to spoil it. So, you ready? Let's do it.
Oh, McDonald's had us fun. Hey guys! Hey guys! Hey guys!
We want to leave you with one final wish.
May your hearts take flight and your spirits soar forever. Namaste. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us. And please enjoy the rest of your day at Disney's Animal Kingdom. Bye everyone. Bye.
Out there it is.
It's very hot today. Well, we've just seen a bird show. That was really good. Grace keeps embarrassing me. That's not fun. But I'm currently in the queue for an exhibition ever. I will not be going on that. Nowhere. But it's been a pretty good morning. We've done some sketching. I did really bad at that, but we had to draw a lion out of the lion.
The song was alright.
I
do feel like it's not like
all these people from there.
That's not really bad on this trip.
We're now car hopping to Hollywood Studios. Why are you looking at it? It's so hot. It's unbelievable. We've just done the inappropriate Animal Kingdom picture because I had to get it in because I'm dirty minded and I love it, but oh my god, I'm actually struggling with it. It's at 31 degrees. But yeah, I'm excited to go to Hollywood Studios, go find a jersey. I found a bag flower. I don't know what these two are doing. What? Oh my god. Okay, we're arriving at Hollywood Studios. Going in the Majestic Theatre. Also merchandise to buy. We're watching that tonight. I'm trying to find a Spirit jersey. Oh my god, them are the ones I want. Them are the Crocs I want, but they've got Mickeys in them. Look at that. But then I bought Crocs for a kid. But these are the jerseys. And I can't find one that I absolutely love. That is beautiful. Oh my god.
Yeah, guess how much it is?
I know.
It'll be a lot. $268.
Well, I think I'll stick to my other bag. Look at this one. Oh, that is beautiful. Tower of Terror. No way.
And she was like, yeah, I'll be able to carry any Grandes soon.
Ignore that. Well, I really do want to go on it, but I think drops is not my forte. So, I'm away. So, Amy's gone on Tower of Terror behind me. I'm going towards the Beauty and the Beast ride. No ride, so, because that's where I'd rather be. Either there, super there. Because there's no way I'm going on that. Wait, for
who could ever learn to love a beast?
Bonjour, Belle. Who does she think she is? Right from the moment when I met her, saw her, I said she's gorgeous and I fell. Here in town there's only she who is beautiful as you, so I'm making plans to go and marry Belle. No one's slick as Gaston, no one's quick as Gaston, no one's an assassin, incredibly thick as Gaston.
Master will be furious if he finds out what you're up to.
Well, we don't have to tell him, do we?
There is nothing to worry about.
No, nothing, just our entire future.
Hello there. I'll guess for dinner.
We'll keep it simple.
What are you talking about? What's going on? Come on, Mom. Come along, Chip, dear.
Oh dear.
No need to worry.
We'll keep it simple. Hi.
Stop it, I say. Do you hear me? I said quiet! If we're going to do this, then let's do it.
But of course, we must make her feel welcome. Esteemed Mesdames et Messieurs, it is with deepest pride and greatest pleasure.
Coarse and unrefined, and now he's dear, and so
just saw the Beauty and the Beast.
What is there?
Oh my god, I want to meet him.
Want to meet him?
Yeah. Can I meet him? Who may provide you?
Let's have ourselves a rootin' tootin' good time.
Oh no.
We're going to Toy Story. Yeah. We're going on Toy Story Mania. We've got the glasses. Going in. I'm gonna be in. I'm gonna beat Amy. So wait for the next clip when I run and she's crying. What? We're stuck on the ride. We don't know why we stopped, but we have. We look really cool. That's
I'm actually sat here for so long.
That's the score. And we're done. No, it's really bad. I don't like him. It's horrible. He's a nasty little bitch. Oh my god. Buzz Lightyear. The toy I dreamed of as a kid.
Yeah, Molly don't like him for that.
So Amy Face have gone on. I forgot it's called as a Star Wars one. I'm not one of it. It's so hot. We were waiting for Fantasmic. We're going to Fantasmic now. On our way. We're in a little bit pain. All legs are hurting. But it's worth it. So we start the day with Fantasmic. It's like 9. It starts at 9. It's currently like 20 past 8. We don't have to wait, but it starts early, so everyone has to sit down. I'm very excited though. So it's just fun with kids. Show her. I'm not going to drink it. Let's go.
Uses his vivid imagination to create magical imagery for all to enjoy. Nothing is more wonderful than the imagination. For in a moment, you can experience a beautiful fantasy or an exciting adventure. But beware, nothing is more powerful than the imagination, for it can also expand your greatest fears into an overwhelming nightmare. Are the powers of Mickey's incredible imagination strong enough and bright enough to withstand the evil forces that invade Mickey's dream? You are about to find out. For we now invite you to join Mickey and experience Fantasmic, a journey beyond your wildest imagination.
now we gotta get out. It's so busy.